We're tearing down exits. We're breaking barriers. We're not going to just watch videos online. Not just going to dream anymore. We're going to get results. Measurable metrics, if you will. Data. We're going to do what we truly want to do. Live how we truly want to live. Get our missions and our goals and our dreams to become a reality that high. Now, I didn't say we're going to try. I did not say we're going to hope. I said we're going to do it. And I know a lot of motivational speakers around the globe have billions of dollars or millions of dollars. But they ain't with you at the checkout line. They don't experience, at least at this time, when you have to put something back. They don't experience you telling your child, if you have one, honey, we can't get that. Or maybe it's during that time of the year when people are shopping for back to school. And mothers and fathers or single parents are saying, honey, those shoes are just too expensive. Well, I say, no more. That's right, I said no more. Now, for people looking at my background saying, hey, wait a minute. How are you going to tell me something when you ain't there? Ladies and gentlemen, my name, this guy right here, is Albert J. Torcaso. Let's go to Torcaso. 412-559-2731. I don't take blocked, private, or unknown calls. But that is a real number. Now let me see how many of these motivational speakers of any level gave you their number. So I must have something going on to do that. And I do have something going on. You see, I believe in the Lord thy God. I believe in Jesus Christ. I believe in that God can do everything. And guess what? God can do it for the atheist too. Yeah, even though you think that God is a fantasy. God can do that. And I know you're thinking, oh, I better turn this. This is becoming a religious. No. Just using that as an illustration. Look, you have a couple of choices in life. You can take up my call to action. You can give me a call at 412-559-2731. You can share this video. You can like this video. You can do what you got to do. Or you can turn it off because you're 16 years old and I've been on here too long. But if you turn it off, your life's not going to change. Now, if you keep watching this video, your life is going to change. Because if you start doing things, taking action, and in spite of every barrier that you have, every exit that you have, every teacher that says you can't, every test that says you ain't smart enough, if you keep going, if you commit, I'll commit to you. And we will overcome everything. We will overcome everything. You might be saying, man, you might be thinking, man, woman, dude, are you crazy? You ain't there yet. Oh, really? You think this background is reality for us forever? So what? There was a time when people that are multi-billionaires had places 10 times worse than this. It was their brains that got them out of it. It's your brain, yours. But we're going to work together. You're not going to be alone. As a matter of fact, I'm going to tell you right now, if you're brave enough, and if you're willing enough to utilize every tool, every option that you have, we already have things that could potentially help you towards your goals. And even in the interim, help you to get healthier and earn some income. Now, I know what you're thinking. Uh-oh, not another infomercial. No, not even close. You see, my friends, I don't know about you, but I'm done with roadblocks. I'm done with barriers, and I'm done with scarcity. So I happen to like the motivational speaker, Les Brown. So in the tradition of Les Brown, let me tell you what I think of scarcity. But I suggest you might want to hold your ears. What do I think of scarcity? Are you ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Scarcity is over. That's what I think. What about you? You going to live your life in scarcity? Are you? Because if you do, you're cheating yourself. My name is Albert J. Torcaso. And you? I know you can make it. Now take action.